Vladimir Putin is the longest-serving Russian leader since Joseph Stalin, having led the country for more than 2 decades as either its prime minister or its president. His time in power has been characterized by territorial tensions in Eastern Europe. Putin's parents married at 17. Times were tough. During World War II, his father was injured and ultimately disabled by a grenade, and during the siege of Leningrad his mother was trapped and nearly starved to death. Putin's birth in October 1952 was preceded by the deaths of 2 brothers, Viktor and Albert, who died during the siege of Leningrad and in infancy, respectively. He was not a model student. In 9th grade, Putin was selected to study at Leningrad School No. 281, which only accepted the city's brightest pupils. A Russian tabloid reportedly later found Putin's grad book. It stated that Putin threw chalkboard erasers at the children, didn't do his math homework, behaved badly during singing class, and talks in class. In addition, he was caught passing notes and often fought with his gym teacher and older students. He has reportedly broken records in judo. Putin has practiced judo since he was 11 years old, before turning his attentions to sambo when he was 14. He won competitions in both sports in Leningrad and in 2012 was awarded 8th Dan of the Black Belt, which made him the first Russian to achieve the status. He has written books on the subject, co-authoring the book Judo with Vladimir Putin in Russian, and Judo, History, Theory, Practice in English. 4. He joined the KGB. Immediately after completing his law degree, Putin joined the KGB in an administrative position. He studied in Moscow at the KGB's Foreign Intelligence Institute under the pseudonym Plotov. He served in the KGB for 15 years and traveled across Russia, and in 1985 was sent to Dresden in East Germany. He rose through the ranks of the KGB and eventually became a lieutenant colonel. 5. After the KGB, he started his career in politics. After his career with the KGB, he held a position at Leningrad State University for a short while before moving into politics. He was a distinguished employee, and by 1994 had earned himself the title of deputy mayor under Anatoly Sobchak. After his mayorship came to an end, Putin moved to Moscow and joined the presidential staff. He started as a deputy head of management in 1998. 6. He loves the Beatles. In 2007, British photographer Platon was sent to take a portrait of Putin for Time magazine's Person of the Year edition. As a way of making conversation, Platon stated, "I'm a big Beatles fan. Are you?" He then recounted that Putin stated, "I love the Beatles," and said that his favorite song was Yesterday. 7. He owns a palace in a forest. Putin's enormous home, nicknamed Putin's Palace, is an Italianate palace complex located on the coast of the Black Sea in Krasnodar Krai, Russia. The complex contains a main house, an arboretum, a greenhouse, a helipad, an ice palace, a church, an amphitheater, a guest house, a fuel station, an 80-meter bridge, and a special tunnel inside the mountain with a tasting room. 8. He has at least 2 children. Putin married Lyudmila Shkrebneva in 1983. The couple had 2 daughters together, Maria and Katerina, who Putin rarely mentions and have never been seen by the Russian people. In 2013, the couple announced their divorce on mutual grounds, stating that they didn't see each other enough. 9. He has been nominated for a Nobel Peace Prize twice. Putin persuaded Assad to surrender Syria's weapons peacefully as opposed to the other option of aggressive intervention, likely because of his friendship with the president of Syria, Bashar al-Assad. For this, He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. 10. He loves animals. Putin owns a number of pet dogs, and reportedly loves being photographed with different animals. The many pictures of Putin with animals can be broadly divided into three categories: a loving pet owner with his many dogs, an impressive animal handler with horses, bears and tigers, and the rescuer of endangered species such as Siberian cranes and the Siberian bear. Thanks for watching the video. Video made by JOHNY Visuals. All rights reserved.